Hello. Well, as I've had this brought to me today, earlier in the post. Um, who fancies a old school unboxing and a review? Smash the like button, and I'll see what it's like by say 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. And if I get say 100 likes. No, it's a bit optimistic. If I get 50 likes, I will do a unboxing and a review on this 134 scale first gear diecast model of the JCB 555 210R rotary telescopic handler. And from outside at the moment, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest, but yeah, smash that like button and let's see you go back old school and do a unboxing and a review. I hope you lot are all okay, and yeah, we'll go back old school. Take care. Bye bye.